Do you know, guys, that maximum useful load or weight a Piper Cherokee 160 can pick up is 985 pounds? That's why I want to tell you how I pack our luggage. By the way, you can see how to speed up your plane in this video. Today I'm preparing our stuff for the flying tomorrow. And now forecast show that will be rain, storm, rain. But St. Louis, that area where the weather can change every hour, because I still preparing stuff for our airplane. And let's see what I do, because it's have some specifics. If you want to travel on the commercial flights, of course you will take some very nice suitcase. We have plenty of them. Actually, this is scooter, miles below it, and suitcase, real suitcase, pretty good. But no, it's already heavy. For the small plane, you wanna save every single pound. Because what you wanna take? IKEA bag, nothing fancy, nothing cool. Doesn't look nice, but it's very light. Because we take this bag, and I have a special travel set. You can put on these things very tight. Here is Miles clothes for the 3 days. Save lots of space. Don't save pounds, but save lots of space. It's good for the flying. And I have one for Miles, one for Grant, and one for me. What else can I put here? Something big you don't want to lose. Like cowboy boots. We're going to rodeo and it will be kind of cool. Wear cowboy boots and cowboy hats. Okay, fit perfectly. One thing that we can take. Second, for the small things, I have this beach bag. It's very light, little bit more heavier than IKEA bag. And if you have some small stuff that you don't want that it's roll on the old cockpit, you put it here. Like this bag with the old GoPro stuff, sun spray, mosquito spray, everything here. Back to airplane. Another thing that we take, wagon. This is light wagon. We have before much cooler wagon, but so much heavier. And last thing what I take, my backpack. All the stuff is going back on the baggage area. During the flight, I need something. It will be kind of problem take it, but I have some stuff here. What I have here? Diaper. Just one diaper. Miles don't use diaper about 1.5 years. But for the travel, if you sit in the small airplane with no toilet in the sky, and you have no airport around, and he emergency need go to the poo or pee, well, I have little solution. Another medication. For any type of problem that possibly can be, changing clothes, small changing clothes. If he put water on himself and started crying that I'm wet, I need to change the clothes, Children. Flying with the children have little bit interesting things. Finally, big bag, everything in a plastic box. Rain will come, that's our things not get wet. Miles headphones, fishing stuff, small stuff is here. Here is very light chairs. I saw people sell these chairs for the $100, but Walmart sell it for the 39. And because we stay on the camp, I take food with us. By the way, about the food on the plane, if you are flying with a child, it is better not to take anything like yogurt, ice cream or banana if you don't want to wash the plane after the flight, and even strongly smelling foods. Pack your luggage easily, weigh it, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice flight, guys. Bye bye.